This is the first estate, and this lesson centers on flat earth teachers. See, they're wrong. Nagamati, Gnostic text. We're going to go to the book of Melchizedek. Final warning to Melchizedek. These things which I was commanded to reveal also to others as I have done. But that which is secret, not reveal to anyone, unless it is revealed to you to do so. Lost books of the Bible, great rejected texts. And we're going to go to the Gospel of Philip, verse 71. Let's go there. Right here. He says, I came to make what is inside the same as the outside, and what is below as it is above. I came to bring all of this into one place. He revealed himself through types and symbols. Those who say Christ comes from the place beyond are confused. Okay? Beyond meaning above. See? They're confused. But I want to circle back to he teaches through types and symbols. See? Symbolism is a big part of teaching. All right? Strong's Concordance. This book contains the definition of every word in the King James Bible. Now, the word is star. Now, star means ball or globe. All right? More on that in a minute. Now, book of Genesis, chapter 1, verses 14 through 16. And God said, let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years. And let them be for lights in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth. And it was so. God made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also. So, once again, the word star means a ball or globe. Right here. See? Ball, globe, word is star. Right? And as you can see, sun is nothing but a morning star. All right. Now, online etymology dictionary. We're going to go to the book of Psalms, chapter 84, verse 11. For the Lord God is a sun and shield. The Lord will give grace and glory. No good thing will he withhold from them that walk uprightly. Okay? So, the Lord God is a sun. Now, the takeaway from here is the word soul. See right here? S-O-L. That's what we're taking from this. Now, soul, once again, from the online etymology dictionary, as you can see what it means, okay? Sun, which proven previous frame, this means heavens. But our takeaway from this is the word I. Soul means I, right? Soul as in S-O-L. Those listening and not seeing, right? Now, in the book of Zechariah, chapter 2, verse 8, for thus saith the Lord of hosts, after the glory that he sent me unto the nations, which spoil you, for he that toucheth you toucheth the apple of his eye. Okay? For he that touch you touch the apple of his eye. So, zoom in a bit. Apple, eye, okay? The gate of the eye, okay? Which means heaven, because remember, soul means heaven. S-O-L, right? So here's an apple. Remember, Jesus taught through types and symbols. Now, an apple is round. We see this, all right? Apple of the eye, right? So apple being round, which would mean that the eyeball is round, right? Apple of the eye. See? Now, eyeball retina. See? So, let's we zoom in, give you a closer look. See? Right here, below. All right? Okay. So, now, Old Testament pseudepigrapher, okay, volume 1. Now, within this, we're going to go to Apocalypse of Cedric, chapter 7, verse 7. So, as you can see right here at the top, Cedric. So, 7, verse 7. So, over here, so it'll be right here. Now, and the Son and Adam were one character, but the wife of Adam was brighter than the moon in beauty, and she gave her life, or she gave life to her, Cedric said. Okay? So, there we go. Adam represents the sun, Eve represents the moon. Now, this particular frame, this is from the lost books of the Bible. This is First Enoch, and we're going to go to chapter 72, verse 37. So 72, verse 37. So we're going to go right over here, the last one, 72, verse 37. As he rises, so he sets and decreases not, and rests not, but runs day and night, and his light is sevenfold brighter than that of the moon. But in regard to size, they are both equal. There's a lot said there. But anyway, sun is brighter than the moon, but in size, they're equal. Kills the whole myth that, one is bigger than the other, right? So here we have the sun, right here, setting. Now in the book of Matthew, chapter 6, verse 22, 23, the light of the body is the eye. If therefore thine eye be single, thy whole body shall be full of light. But if thine eye be evil, thy whole body shall be full of darkness. If therefore the light that is in thee be darkness, how great is that darkness? So, husband needs wife, wife needs husband on the same accord. Okay? Now, of course, this is the moon representing Eve, the woman, planet Earth. All of these are round. Okay? So, and this is, once again, a lesson on flat Earth. And I showed you types and symbols, in this particular one, because sometimes that's needed, because that's how Jesus did it. He taught through types and symbols. And the eyeball should suffice to say that the earth is round, it's not flat, the apple of the eye, right? So anyway, it's been the first estate with another lesson. Hope it's been edifying. I'll see you in the next one.